This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Mona Gabriel. Welcome to this solid brick ranch with large front porch in Kings Grant and the Kingston School District. This well-thought-out floor plan, with tons of natural light, has a formal living room which is open to the dining room, large family room with gas fireplace, 4 spacious bedrooms and a primary ensuite with dual closets, one of which is a walk-in. Relax in the screened-in porch overlooking the large, fenced yard. Huge utility/mudroom with storage and 2-car garage with storage closet. The exterior trim is vinyl wrapped for easy maintenance and the windows have been replaced, plus there is a new gas HVAC and brand new ductwork. For more information, review the details below.